मेरी तरफ से सबको बहुत बहुत ईद मुबारक. Look where I'm going. Today I'm going to BrooklynBridge. So this vlog is all over for BrooklynBridge. I'm walking towards for BrooklynBridge. You can see this is the main downtown of Brooklyn. That one is so beautiful. This place is so beautiful. This is called BrooklynBridge Park. Here I'm here right now. It's called BrooklynBridge Park. It's like a forest. Manhattan is over there. Wow.
वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर भी है सबसे ऊंची.
Wow. This place is so beautiful.
हाँ पानी है पानी. चलो इधर. वो रहा मैनहट्टन ये. और जिसकी चोंच सबसे लंबी है वो है वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर. पानी में जाना, पानी में मछली आ जाएगी. चलो जी.
Oh my God! Today's weather is so hot.
So hot, yeah.
It's 75, right?
बाग में लेटे हुए हैं.
Yeah. Park is over there. Yeah.
उधर चलें वो उधर ब्रिज पे.
Yep. Let's go to bridge.
आगे जाकर क्लियर नजर आएगा. दरख्त वगैरह हट जाएंगे.
All Pakistani families are here to celebrate their Eid. That one is BrooklynBridge. I'm on my way to BrooklynBridge. That one is a little bit far from here. The way to go over there. This is the way to go over this BrooklynBridge. क्या जगह है? अच्छा पब्लिक प्लेस है वो भी.
ये रहा ना ब्रिज सामने तो है.
Still far from here.
यहाँ से देखो मैनहट्टन क्लियर है.
Yeah. I'm in love with this place. So fresh environment over here.
तो जाने दे.
बहुत खतरनाक है भाई भाई.
चलो.
हाँ ये व्यू बहुत प्यारा है. This view is so beautiful. It better.
But it's mixed, so you know, it's really inconspicuous.
Bye.
All the Oreos.
So beautiful, Anabia.
मौसम आज अच्छा है ना,
You're
तो
looking
इसलिए
so pretty, Anabia.
बहुत प्यारा
She's
ड्रेस
feeling shy. Is it halal? No, not here. This one is not halal.
बारिश हो रही है। चलें आगे चलें
चलते हैं. Wow. This is called BrooklynBridge.
scoop चाहिए.
Only one scoop.
One scoop of chocolate. Yeah. And cup.
I want in waffle.
Waffle cone.
I want in waffle cone in like pistachio.
Pistachio मांग रहा तुम.
हाँ.
Yeah, that's comfort. I like pistachio with the chocolate.
Okay, I'm gonna go for that one
And what kind of
पकड़ो.
Thank you. Can you give me one more spoon? One more spoon.
What is that one over there? This one. That one over there. No, that one over there. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
How much?
Yeah, just give me one.
Sorry. Yay! I got this ice cream in pistachio flavor. Yay! I got this in pistachio flavor. Oh my god! Really so cute.
I tried to tell him there's a whole water park at Pier 6, but I guess this is as far as we're gonna go.
Yeah. हमारी फरमाइश है.
Finally, we are here at BrooklynBridge. Oh, these stairs! Oh my god! Look at the view. Brooklyn Bridge. We are coming all the way from Brooklyn Bridge Park. Now we are here at Brooklyn Bridge. This one is bike line, that one is car line. Wow, so pretty. Oh goodness! This view is so beautiful. Look at the view. Amazing night view of Brooklyn Bridge. So this is Brooklyn Bridge. That one is Manhattan Bridge. So I'm in love with this place. Chicken, you know, fish burger. Wow.
ये नीचे उतर गए ना
हाँ.
नाटक में उतरेंगे
Really? Let's go to Manhattan. I love this view. Oh my god. So beautiful.
वहाँ पे थे अभी हम
Ooh, Statue of Liberty is over there. इसमें ये पॉइंट भी अच्छा है फोटो खींचने का.
ये वीडियो
बहुत मजा आया
Well, today was so much fun. Oh my god, I had so much fun in this Brooklyn Bridge Park and Brooklyn Bridge. So beautiful place. Now we're heading to restaurant to eat something. Hey guys, so it's time to go back to home. Hopefully you enjoy my vlog for Brooklyn Bridge Park and Brooklyn Bridge. This place is such an amazing place. It's a totally tourist attraction of all New Yorkers and all over the world. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Love you all. See you next time. Bye bye. And Eid Mubarak to all of you. Bye.